Hey guys, I'm back at it again. Right now, I'm gonna have some sushi. I have some spring rolls right with me right now. Let's try the spring roll. Yeah, spring roll. That's pretty good. Some spicy mayo. Wow.
Yeah.
Let me try this chicken tempura. Chicken tempura.
Huh? You said I can get through the door, right?
Yeah. Wow, that's good. I didn't really think I was gonna like this at all, but it's pretty good. Pretty good. Let's try the cucumber avocado. Let's see. Let's see. Well, the avocado with the cucumber is pretty good. What is it called? California roll. Pretty good. But have that all day. Yeah. But please like, subscribe. Let me know your ideas. Let me know what I could do to better my videos. I would like that. You know?
Yeah. Yes.
Who's your favorite person? Who made you want to do mukbangs? Like mukbangs. I'm sorry how you pronounce it. Comment below. Tell me who made you want to do mukbang. This is good. Now that good. What kind of sushi you like? This chicken. This one is pretty good. Never had sushi with cream cheese in it. This is my first time. I have a dumpling, fried dumpling. Please. Well, I can tell you a little something about my day because I'm over here. I'm over here eating my life away, right? Well, this morning I had an interview. Everything went good. I'm supposed to go back tomorrow so I can finish some paperwork. So I'll be on the clock maybe Thursday. Hopefully everything go well. Just let me know. I'm about to cut short because I have some more things to do, but just wanted to try this mukbang for today. Thank you for watching, and you have a great day. Thank you.